Hello guys, today in this video we will talk how to delete your YouTube history. Okay, so how to turn off your history or algorithm. So first of all, what you have to do, you need to visit on this link myactivity.com.google.com. You need to visit on this link. Okay, and once you are on this link, this will show this kind of a screen, and over here you can delete your web history, your play history, your time history, and your YouTube history. You can select YouTube history, and then you need to scroll down. At the very bottom side there is a option like manage history. Okay, so you need to tap on this button, and then it will pop up a new window. On this window there is a setting, like there is a option like delete option. Okay, and you can select delete today, delete custom range, delete all the time. You can choose any option which you want to delete. Okay, so by using this way you can easily remove your all the history from your YouTube account. Okay, so this is the thing. Now if you have any other questions, you can make a comment. I will reply you very soon, and thanks for watching this video. Bye bye, take care, see you soon in the next video.